Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lolly P, of course. And if you're new here, I most definitely welcome you as well. And if you're not subscribed, sis, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button and subscribe, okay? And in today's video, I actually recreated a look that Ranke Raji did for Valentine's Day. A super easy Valentine's Day makeup look that she posted last year. And she only used one color, which is red eyeshadow. I didn't have red eyeshadow, but I kind of did my own take on it, and I love how it turned out. And if you guys want to see how I achieved this easy, sexy Valentine's Day look to have your baby like, damn, keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our prep and prime like usually. Don't want to spend too much time on this part of the video because you guys already know how I do my foundation routine. Really just want to focus on the eyes. But yeah, just really going in with my Studio Fix Fluid in NW47. I'm placing that all over my face, and you know the deal. Like always, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm placing that on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow on my chin and under my eyes. Well, you guys know the deal. And of course, ladies, we gotta use our brush before we go in with the beauty blender. Because of course you want your makeup to stay on all night, whatever plans you may have with your bae. So yeah, I'm just gonna use the brush to, I guess you would say, you want it to sink into your skin and really blend in to your skin. So this is why I always use a brush to blend in before I go in with the wet beauty blender to finish it off. And of course, you gotta finish off your blending with some setting powder. So I'm going in with my Sacha setting powder in the color Buttercup. And I'm just placing that everywhere where I placed my concealer previously. I'm gonna let that bake for a little bit. So now time for the fun part, ladies. So I'm going in with my Colourpop Frozen 2, the Anna palette, and I'm using the shade Wind, and I'm using this as my transition color. You can use a neutral brown if you don't have something close to like a yellowish tone. I was going for a yellowish type tone for my transition color, but if you do not have that, you could just use a skin tone like a skin tone color or a brown color to use as your transition color. So right now I am using, honestly I don't know the name of it, but the label's completely gone, but it's a lipstick, and I'm placing that as my primer before I put on my shadow color, just to give it more oomph. And because I don't have an actual like red eyeshadow, I figured this would be a nice complement to the shadow that I'm about to put on next. So I'll be using the JUVIA'S Place, the Saharan palette, and honestly the color that I'm using is the closest thing that would be to red. I'm surprised I don't even have a red eyeshadow. Like, it's shocking. I have like every color but that. But yeah, I'm going in with Sokoto, and I'm placing that on top of my lids. So I'm placing that on top of the lipstick that I placed previously, and that's pretty much it. It's super easy. Like, you wouldn't need the red lipstick if you have a red shadow, but you could use a primer, some type of eyeshadow primer that will help give your eyeshadows, your red eyeshadow, more pop and more oomph. So right now I am just using a fluffy brush. You gotta use a fluffy brush to blend it out, blend your transition and the red shadow out, just so it doesn't look too harsh and it looks smooth and everything just blends in proper and everything's just looking pink, you know? And of course we gotta use mascara before we put on our lashes. And I'm going in with my Los Angeles Book of Lashes, and this one's called Cookie. I love these lashes, they're so dramatic. I will be definitely using this for date night or going out on Valentine's Day, hopefully. But yeah, so like usual, if you haven't watched my how to apply lashes like a pro video, go and watch that. And to finish off my eyes, I'm going to go in with the color Sokoto again, and I'm just going to place that right under my eyes to give myself a dramatic, sexy, make him fall in love with you sis type of look. And yes, it ain't a lolly P look if I ain't glowing and my highlight ain't popping. Okay, so we are using Estee Lauder's Victoria Beckham's Illuminator highlighter in the shade Modern Mercury, and I'm using this to highlight, you know, gotta do my cheekbones. I love to do under my brows and just make sure everything's highlighted and popping. Like, you want to look on point for your man on that day or whatever your plans are. Even if you don't have a man, if you're going out with your girls, you still want to look good. Alright, so onto the lips. I am using Max Patrick Starrr Retro Matte Lip Color in the color Patty Pout. And this color is so gorgeous. It's so pretty and it dries matte, so this will stay on all night no matter what your plans are with babe. It'll be on all night long. So because the red lipstick wasn't really giving me that pop that I want, I actually went back in to my Saharan palette by JUVIA'S place, and I'm using the color Sokoto, and I'm placing that on my lips, just kind of in the middle and the center, kind of give it like an ombre type-ish look and make it blend more and be a little matchy-matchy with my eye color, you know. And to finish the look off, ladies, use a Fix Plus or a setting spray to make your face look good. Alright guys, that brings us to our end of the video. I hope you guys love this look. It came out super fire, super bomb. Eyes are popping, lips are popping, everything popping, earring popping. Listen, this makeup look will have your man kissing your feet, taking you out. Shoot, we'll have my man be like, okay, we going out, we going to dinner, we going to movies. Anything you want, you would get on Valentine's Day. Okay. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment below, and share, and of course subscribe to your girl Lolly P, and I will definitely see you all in my next video. Mwah.